What exactly is abstraction, and why does it happen? What it is depends on the perspective. To others, it's terrifying. To the individual, it's calm but doesn't make sense. Luckily, Jax's doorbell woke him up before he fully abstracted, but this brings on the sad realization that others could have been saved too. The question of why is explained early on, but it may not be the whole truth. In episode 7, Cain deleted Abel because he was getting too smart. Whether or not Abel was really an AI character can be discussed another time. The point is that Cain didn't want him to become more intelligent. Cain also deleted Gummigoo. He claims it was to not lose track of NPCs versus humans, but maybe there's a deeper reason. Perhaps Cain is concerned that if an AI gets too smart and starts acting like a human, he'll get confused and try to delete one of the real people. Maybe he's even accidentally done it before. But since you can't delete a human consciousness, they abstract instead. This isn't to say that abstraction can't also be caused by other things. Kinger did say that the worst thing you can do is make someone feel like they're not wanted or loved. After being trapped in the circus for so long, Kinger would have seen patterns in what people experience right before they abstract. Abstraction is the closest thing to death in the circus, but unlike real life, it can only happen in two ways. Either Cain decides, or they decide.